So tonight I'm on my way to PetSmart because I got a little kitten and she's really tiny. I'll show you some pictures and I'll show you when I get home. She's really tiny and I'm not exactly sure how old she is, so I've got some little kitty food, you know, little wet food or whatever, and we are just trying to dodge and weave some traffic here because people are going crazy because it's raining. Like, really, it's just rain. So definitely gonna go to PetSmart. I do need to get a little bit of like milk replacement, you know, because I don't want to feed her, you know, human milk, obviously, but she's still so tiny that I don't want to feed her like kitty food yet. So need to get her some of that, and then see what other toys we can get her, and I'll show you guys my kitty. I'd love to go like home and then bring her to PetSmart, but I don't know how she would do in there. She's just like very clingy and like lovey-dovey right now, so I don't know how she would do in PetSmart. Maybe when she gets a little older, but I figured I would see if they have some toys and stuff, and you know, see what they have as far as kitten stuff. And then I'm gonna go to Total Wine and stock up. I need to replenish my little supply. And what else am I doing? Oh, I think I'm probably gonna go tanning again tonight because I haven't been tanning like all week. I've just been going home and playing with a kitten, so I need to go tanning, and that's about what I'm doing tonight. So I'll bring you guys along with me. Little kittens. I got these cute little bowls. Aren't they adorable? I got those at Walmart, and it's the same bowl, but like, do you like your little new bowls? You like your new bowls? I guess I have a little friend going to the beach with me, don't I? Little kitty in your beach bag. Are you coming to the beach with me? Yeah? What you doing with your little foot there? What you doing with your little foot there, kitty? Oh, yeah. Whoa. Little wobbly. Little wobbly. I guess I'm taking this little passenger with me tomorrow. Yes, I am. What, now you're napping? Are you napping in my beach bag, kitty? You napping? Take a little break. You taking a little break? You taking a little break? You taking a little break? Yeah. You take a little break. You take a little break from playing. No, you can't fall asleep. You can't fall asleep right now. No. You just fall asleep mid-playing. This little baby face. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, yes. You're my little fighter kitty. You're my little fighter kitty.